Hey everybody, welcome back. If you've made it this far, assuming you've been watching the order or the videos in order, now we're focusing on rhythm and what it means to have rhythm, what it looks like to not have rhythm, and so forth. So when I was younger in band, I played the percussion, and this gave me my sense of rhythm and just made me more musical overall. And just something about it, like staying on beat with the percussion, like the tap, 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 tap with the drumsticks, just hitting that snare over and over. I just really it built it in me to, like, instinctually you need to stay on beat, with the song, and even when you're dancing or shuffling, remember the rhythm is a pattern of sounds and silences in between the beats and the instruments that are being played in the song. So I've just, at a young age, when I was playing that, I understood that concept real quick, and that has led me now to have a really good sense of rhythm, and overall musicality, and just a good idea of the whole I guess broader spectrum of music theory. It just helped everything click. It's like the world kind of revolves around math, and numbers. Same thing with hitting that snare drum and the beats, hitting each beat of the note in those bars or measures. Hopefully I didn't lose you there, but so basically after this video, I'll provide some demonstrations of what it looks like to have, or what it looks like to be off beat or have no rhythm. For example, one of the examples is there's a man, and it's like a dive bar, and he's in that bar, and there's a band playing music, and he's clapping off beat, and it doesn't sound, it's not in harmony, it's not in, the rhythm is off. You can feel when it's off, just by looking, watching, hearing. And there's a few other examples in there too, of a guy singing guitar of famous songs, but he'll sing one word early, or he'll skip a word, or he'll sing a word early, or one word late, and you can just tell it just sounds like it makes you go like that, because it's not right. It's not I guess harmonically speaking, it's incorrect, to our ear it doesn't sound good. And what will sound good, you'll know what will look good, you'll be able to feel when you're in rhythm, when you are, dancing, on the dance floor, or, wherever you're at. So I want you guys to really, if you're someone who's watching this and you don't have good rhythm, so you think, it can be learned, okay? And maybe you don't have rhythm because you've never had this explained to you before, or you've never, taken a dance class or something. And so I think this video and the demonstrations, or the videos that I've listed coming up will definitely help you out to better understand what it looks like to be out of sync, or out of rhythm, or out of harmony, we'll say. So after you watch those videos, I will make another video of going over a song and what it'll look like being out of sync, or out of rhythm with the song, and then in sync with the song, or in rhythm with the song as well. So just want you guys to watch those videos. They're really funny. It brings a little bit of of a laugh, because usually you don't post those kinds of things on the internet. You don't post yourself being out of rhythm or out of sync. You want to post yourself, or you would post a video of you getting the entire song down perfect, not missing a mark, not missing a beat. You know what I'm saying? But it was actually really hard to find these demonstrations of, or these like demos or examples, I should say, of people like messing up or goofing up. You know, because like I said, you know, not everyone is just posting, you know, goofs of themselves, goof up of themselves, you know, messing up. Because, you know, we have egos and we have, what's it called? You know, we have, you know, it's just not something, you know, it's awkward. You know, you're not going to embarrass yourself. You're not going to post that on the internet. So I'm glad I was able to find these examples for you guys, and I want you to really watch them and just see what it looks like to not have rhythm. And again, I said it before, but you can learn rhythm. You can learn what it's like to like be in sync with the music, you know, or flow in between the music with these patterns, you know, silences and sounds. So that's all for now. Just a little update. I should have said this at the beginning, but I do apologize for this video is coming out in December, and I meant to have this next series done in November, but went to a couple festivals and life happens. So I do apologize for those of you that are you know, really sticking to this and wanting to learn and trying to get the content out as fast as the sun comes up and goes down. So I'm back on the ball as of today. So I'm gonna get this uploaded later and for you guys, and I'm gonna try and finish out the rest of this series 2 of music theory and this week. So look forward to the completion of this series, and series 3 I'm going to be starting in the next week or so as well, and that's going to be more advanced moves and stuff like that. So if you like the content that I'm putting out, you know, you guys already know, like it if you could, subscribe if you want to subscribe to more videos like this, as well as shuffle and dance videos too. And yeah, that's about it. It helps a lot if you support the channel, and you know, big thanks to everybody who's been with me this far. So also, if you guys have any ideas for future videos, drop them in the comments below and let me know what you think of this video, and you know, how you've been liking everything so far. And yeah, I guess that's all I have now. So until next time, guys, take care and keep shuffling.